To remove a processor and heatsink module on the lower compute system board, press the release latches on the front cover and remove the cover. Press and hold the blue release latches on both compute tray release levers, and simultaneously pull both levers straight out from the server. Pull the compute tray forward evenly until it stops, then press the release tabs on both sides of the tray to slide the tray out from the chassis. Remove the upper compute system board or compute system board filler first. Locate and press both of the upper compute system board release latches and slide the board or filler from the compute tray. To remove a processor and heatsink module, you'll need a Torx T30 screwdriver. Fully loosen the numbered captive fasteners on a processor heatsink module in the removal sequence shown on the heatsink label. Loosen fastener number 4, then 3, 2, and then 1. Carefully lift the processor heatsink module straight up from the processor socket. Place the PHM on an electrostatic mat with the processor facing up. Locate the pry notch and disconnect the nearest retainer clip. Place a standard head screwdriver into the notch near the clip and carefully twist the screwdriver counterclockwise to loosen the retainer from the heatsink. Disconnect the remaining clips in counterclockwise order. Grasp the retainer by the edges and lift straight up to separate the CPU and retainer from the heatsink. Leave the CPU in the retainer and place it in the appropriate electrostatic protective packaging.